I got a new camera. I'm going to test the video quality. So I'm going to just video some random stuff here. I got it's a Honeywell 1968 thermostat. Dual mercury bulb thermostat. Has a system heat, auto cool, fan auto and on. You can see the heat and cool levers up there. Dual bulb, 1968. This is a T870A1059. Pretty cool thermostat. This is a camostat. 1972, 73, around there. It's a 374 is the number on it. Has a heat anticipator. This camstat is made in LA, California. T17H-135, heat only. Is originally put on it's a day-night system. Gaffers and Sattler badge from a 1968 furnace. Heil badge. And this is a anti-suck back valve. They call it what they call this thing? They call it the anti-siphon valve. This is for a vacuum pump. What happens if you're running your vacuum, say that the power goes out, or if somebody unplugs a cord and doesn't tell you about it and then plugs it back in, it's going to suck the oil. The vacuum is going to suck the oil out of your pump and contaminate your system. So this one's, I'm going to set this one up for 3/8. I do have some 1/4 inch setups, but it's a VP ASU by ProSet. No more oil, no more contamination. There's a lot of vacuum pumps that do have the check valve already installed. A lot of the older ones don't, so you have to watch out for that nowadays with 410A. But I gotta load this up, check the quality. Hopefully it's pretty good. It's gonna be a 1080p, and I'll have some photos after this of some jobs that I've been on.